your marriage perfume. So this one from 500 today returns go for 50% off. Mind you, this package I saw 92.5 color London. Today 2.5 again. But this one is not for free. From 500 go for 50% off. One for 250 for in a cash card transfer. Now go for another 2.5 We don't reach 250 for this one. It's going to be another okay.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think the first live session that we did in the morning didn't come out so well because there was a little glitch from my side. So I'm just going to be filming whatever that I'll be doing. I'm on my way to a tutor lesson this morning. So I'll just take you along so that we can go together. So if I end the live stream earlier, just bear with me. I think I'll be having difficulties. Yeah, so in the morning I normally take my train. It's way cheaper. I'm trying to save, so it's way cheaper. I take my train, and then after taking my train, I have to take a taxi to where my student lives. So